G'day folks, Sam from Hardkorr here. If you're in the market for a camper trailer, you are going to want to see this. This here behind me is the Xplorer. This multi-purpose camper trailer is highly customizable, really quick to set up and easy for anyone to camp out of. Let me take you through it. In the past, a rooftop camper trailer meant one thing: difficult access. It doesn't work for bung knees, doesn't work for dogs, doesn't work sometimes late at night after a session around the campfire. But this staircase, it solves all of those problems. It makes the camper trailer accessible to anyone, regardless of age or physical condition. It makes it really easy to get up to your rooftop tent or to get up to anything else that you're carrying on the roof, whether that be a kayak, tinny, or even your work tools. The Xplorer's modular design means that you can customize the inside of this camper trailer however you like to suit how you want to use it. When it's empty, inside has around 3,900 litres of storage space. Plus, on the roof, you can carry up to 350 kilos. So for the tradies out there, it's perfect for carrying around your work tools. Or, if you want the ultimate camp setup, spec it up just like you see behind me. Here's some of the optional equipment that you can add to the Xplorer. First up here, the kitchen. We've got a stainless steel sink, hot and cold taps, Dometic 2-burner stove, preparation bench here, plenty of space, and your cutlery drawer underneath. Then of course you've got the pantry, plenty of storage space for your food, your drinks, your cups, pots, pans, plates, paper towel, whatever you want. Then here's the fridge slide. So this fridge slide holds up to a 96 litre fridge, or you can take it out and put an upright fridge in. Then up the top here, two more, your 270-degree awning, and of course your rooftop tent there on the top. Now, if you want to use this camper trailer as both a work trailer and a camper trailer, you can. All of the equipment that I've just talked about is modular, which means a few bolts, take it out, and you've got your work trailer. Now, we've packed a lot into the Xplorer, but we haven't forgotten to make sure that it's still very strong and highly capable off-road. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a full 150 by 50mm hot dip galvanised steel chassis. You've got independent suspension with dual big bore gas shocks, 10-inch electric brakes, and mud tyres as standard, including 2 full-size spares. Now, if you do manage to blow through both of those spares on your off-road travels, don't worry, we've made sure that they're a common size so you can easily find another one. The Xplorer's standard power setup is more than enough for most people. It's got a 100 amp hour AGM battery, 12 volt SIG and USB ports, and a 15 amp solar regulator that is compatible with most battery types, including lithium. The regulator is connected to a waterproof socket on the outside of the trailer. What that means is you can leave your solar panel connected even when your doors are shut and locked. But for those of you who want more, there is plenty of space for upgrades, like this Bluetooth battery monitor, which allows you to keep tabs on your batteries from either the LCD screen or from your phone. The battery compartment is bigger even than some caravans. You can fit well over 600 amp hours of batteries in here with room to spare. And if you want to add 240 volt power capability with an inverter, there's heaps of space for that too. The Xplorer weighs about 900 kilos when it's empty, or if it's fully decked out like this one, about 1,200 kilos. That means that it can be towed really comfortably by most vehicles, even a mid-size SUV. And the price? Well, that might surprise you as well. If you want to know more, head to our website, www.hardkorcampers.com.au.